Kaya pala marami mga power outages na kapag nag-inquire kami, sinasabi yung planta nag-bug down dahil nasira, dahil merong pyesa ang kailangang palitan at kailangang pang orderin kung saan lupalop ng mundo o sa lupalop na lugar. So, hindi nyo ginagawa ang trabaho nyo dyan sa ERC. Kasi parang sasakyan yan di ba? Kailangan well-maintained yung sasakyan para maayos yung pag-andar. Di ba? Pareho din yung parang sa aeroplano. Yung aeroplano dapat talagang well-maintained. Ganun din dapat sa energy. Ang aeroplano, pag hindi well-maintained, that's the malaking possibility na mag-crash. Ganun din sa atin. Sa energy, kapag hindi well-maintained, magka-crash yung electricity natin. As a result, nagkaka-brownout at marami na piperwisyo. So, wala pala. Bahala na. Wala pala ang regular na maintenance inspection. Parang every month may mag-inspect sa inyo o every year. Huwag nyo sabihin kulang kayo sa budget. O huwag nyo sabihin kulang kayo sa resources o kulang sa tao. Don't use that. Don't you ever use that reason.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's unacceptable.
Your
So
Honor,
bakit?
If I can just clarify, the first inspection of the ERC is during the COC application.
During the application. And then
so
next
that's the
will
first
be?
inspection. Tapos yung previously, the COC rules provides for 5-year term of the COC. So
So after 5 years?
No po, midterm,
So
another
5 years of midterm is
inspection,
after 2.5 years.
2.5 years, and then the next will be the next application,
Okay,
Your
and let me
Honors.
ask you this. So sa tingin mo tama yun? So every 2 year midterm of the contract. So in this case, sabi mo binigyan mo example 5 years. So once lamang or twice lamang? So ibig sabihin, para sa iyo, let me ask you, as a professional, you've been in ERC for quite some time, I would assume, right? So
Yes,
marami
Your
ka nang
Honors.
alam tungkol sa mga power plant, etc. So tama ba yun na every 2.5 years ang gagawin pag-inspect sa isang planta? Kung okay ba ito, kung sumusunod ba ito, kung sa anumang regulations na set forth by the ERC, kung ito pa ba tama pa rin ang takbo nila, etc. Is 2.5 years enough? O dapat mas maaga pa? Sa tingin mo lang, ma'am?
Opo. Your Honors,
Magpakisagot lang. Sa tingin mo lang.
dapat mas maaga pa kapag
Okay.
na-trigger po yung mga
Dapat mas
trigger
maaga pa.
mechanism.
So kung mas
namin
maaga
po,
pa
Your
para sa iyo,
Honors.
ano ba dapat ang pag-check? Every month, quarterly, once a year? Kung kayo po tatanungin.
Ideally po sana once a year, but
Once a year.
Again, Your Honors,
Mas maganda.
our
Kung mas okay pa sana kung
not
twice a year.
accommodate.
Especially kung tag-init. Diba? So bakit hindi po ginagawa?
Your Honors, i-clarify ko lang din po yung sagot ko, Your Honors. The licensing po is separate from the monitoring team po. So the monitoring now, ang ginagawa lang po is every time merong mga prolonged outage, we also conduct inspection po ng plants, but it's already on prolonged outage.
Kaya nga,
But
next time po, ma'am, kapag halimbawa merong isang planta nag-bug down, nasira, that's a full maintenance, dapat hindi lamang yung planta ang masasanction, kundi kayo po dyan sa ERC dahil hindi nyo po ginagawa yung trabaho. Kasi kung ang bibigyan na reason ng planta ay poor maintenance, kaya nagka-power outage sila, nagka-brownout, dapat sisihin kayo. Dahil hindi mangyari yung poor maintenance kung well-monitored itong mga plantang ito. Am I right?
yes, Your Honors. Admittedly, what we do is desk monitoring.
At kapag
based on
meron,
the benchmarks.
more monitoring dapat. And then kapag dumating sa punto sa inyong monitoring na itong isang planta ay matagal na, luma na, bulok na, edi gawa nyo ng paraan. Is either palitan yan o overhaul yan, yung plantang yon. Kaysa naman pagtsatsagaan na pag-operate yun and then maya magkakaroon ng brownout and then ang maging reason is poor maintenance para tayo naglulukuhan. Right? Okay. Sige, now I would pass the siguro kay Senator Riza muna dahil, sorry Senator Cheese, kasi siyang nauna. Go ahead, Senator Riza, with your questions.
Salamat, Chair. Follow-up lang or quick reiteration lang yung follow-up question ko dun sa tanong ni Senchi. So, ano na po ba talaga sa ngayon yung bilang at classification ng mga outages? Kasi sa pagkaalam ko po, planned, unplanned, at iba pa po yung forced. And then I have one follow-up question po tungkol sa market suspension.
Your Honors, I stand corrected po pala. Based on Resolution number 21 series of 2016, yung outages po so unavailable because of planned outage and unplanned outage, and under unplanned outage is forced outage and maintenance outage, Your Honors. So I'd like to correct my earlier answer po, Your Honors.
So, yes, Senchi.
Maintenance. Yes, Your Honors.
Alright, salamat Director Sharon. At least magabayan yung susunod na follow-up questions ko mamaya tungkol dun sa outages na yan. So, isang follow-up question lang dun sa presentation nyo kanina tungkol sa market suspension. Bakit kayo nag-i-issue ng market suspension kapag lang red alert? Kulang na sa supply pag yellow alert, o rather kulang ang reserve kapag yellow alert pa lang. At magmamahal na, tataas na ang presyo kapag yellow alert pa lang. In fact, I noticed dun po sa isang slide nyo na Masinloc Unit 1 and the SEM Calaca Unit 2 were already on extended outage before the declaration of the series of red and yellow alert. So, on extended outage na sila, so implikasyon siguro, kulang na yung reserve, pero kahit sa ganyang sitwasyon, mag-i-issue lang or mag-i-implement lang kayo ng market suspension kapag red alert. And yet in this case, in the case of these two plants, on extended outage na even before the series of yellow and red alerts, ba't kaya hindi mag-market suspension dun pa lang sa yellow alerts?
Your Honors, when this was discussed by the Commission before they came up with the decision, they saw that the secondary price cap was working in the market, and only the most abnormal condition were red alert na insufficient na po talaga even the reserve. Saka lang po yung market suspension. It's also on the resulting prices during yellow alert compared to the red alerts and the imposition of SPC po na nakita namin historically.
Director, kung posible po bago matapos itong hearing, kung pwede kayong mag-submit ng some kind of documentary evidence sa amin na nagwe-work na or sumasapat na yung secondary price cap at hindi kinakailangan talaga ng market suspension pag yellow alerts. Kasi kung maipakita ng datos mismong galing sa inyo na kulang pa yung secondary price cap during yellow alerts, then baka pwede po kaming magtanong or mag-recommend na i-consider nyo ang market suspension kahit sa yellow alert pa lang para mapigilan tumaas yung presyo during yellow
Yes, Your
alerts.
Honors, we will submit po.
During this hearing, ma'am, kung
Yes
pwede.
po, we have the data.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Salamat, Chair.
Unless kung walang questions si Senator Win Gatchalian, we'll go to Senator Cheese Cordero. Senator Cheese.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just to follow up on the question of the chairman, to clarify, Director Sharon, ma'am, you don't have people who regularly inspect the power plants, right?
None, Your Honor.
As you said, you do desk maintenance, which is you require the power plants to submit a report on the condition of their plants.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, it's good if they will declare against their interests and say that there's something wrong with their plant. They usually don't. So they will say everything is good and dandy. These are private corporations that are for profit, which is admittedly, pinrivatize nga natin eh. So tinatanggap natin na yung mga kumpanya to gustong kumita. Ngayon, kung kailangan palitan yung filter, kulang pa yung budget eh. Nagtitipid yung kumpanya. Linisin na lang muna natin. You won't even know about that, right? Because you're dependent on their submissions. Even what you said kanina na every 5 years, you require them to submit. But nobody actually from ERC or even DOE goes to the plant who understands the plant and will be able to see and say, ba't hindi nyo pinaltan to? Di ba dapat pinaltan na to 2 years ago? Nobody is competent in both ERC and DOE and does that actually, right?
Yes, Your Honors, and limited yung staff to do it.
No, whether limited, but nobody does it. Even DOE, right? Yusek, you don't do that too.
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, next,
Makasingit lang
yes,
Senator Cheese.
yes, of course.
So, alam niyo pala na matagal na yung problemang ito na hindi kayo gumagawa ng regular inspection sa mga planta. Bakit di nyo ginawa ng aksyon? Ngayon na alam na natin lahat, ano yung plano? What are your future plans? would you continue with this system na kung ano lang sasabihin ng planta, magpapadala lang sa inyo ng sulat or letter specifying na okay ang planta namin, it's in good condition at wala pala kayong mga expert na nag-inspection sa mga planta who can really say whether or not the plant is in good condition or not? Now, what are your plans? Anong plano? Anong game plan?
On the part of the market operations, Your Honors, just late last year, we have formed an ad hoc team to monitor these GenCos. So merong desk monitoring, meron din on the outages and to determine the
Desk
reliability
monitoring?
of plants.
From the desk, from the air-conditioned room of the officer or inspector doing it?
Uh,
Remote? No, what I'm trying to say here, is someone, an expert sa mga planta would go there physically and inspect. Nakikita niya sa mata niya, mata to mata, yung sitwasyon ng planta, ng mga pyesa, kung tama pa yung pag-aandar, wag yung sa desk. Desk means nothing. It's BS.
Your Honors, just to clarify po, the team doing the desk monitoring is to monitor the financials and the market share limitation. They do desk monitoring.
Okay.
The grid compliance section who conducted this investigation, they were spinned off from the licensing team po. So tinry po namin to para mas maano yung monitoring ng GenCos. So we're trying to build up that team. So right now po, the one heading it, the section head, Engineer Mark, who conducted this investigation, has a contract of service under him na tinitrain po niya for now po.
So meron kayong technical team na
meron po, Your
pumupunta doon sa
Honors.
planta physically
Yes
at
po.
tinitingnan yung libro, tapos tinitingnan yung logbook, tinitingnan yung operation manual, kung tumutugma ba yung pagpapatakbo ng planta, etc. etc. Meron ganon? Wala. Sabi ko kasi every 5 years or every
Meron,
once in
Your
5 years.
Honors, but only sa ngayon, ang sinimulan nila since last year yung mga inspection, but they were able to cover pa lang muna those on prolonged outage po. But we will try to increase yung and plan out for inspection of the rest of the plants.
Go
But
ahead, Senator
it
Chico.
was already spinned off from the licensing, Your Honors, and we'll try to increase the capacity of that team.